Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay everyone, so today is Tablescape Tuesdays and we are going to jump right into it, guys, so come on with me. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm going to go ahead and link all the information down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody decorated for Tablescape Tuesdays. Now I'm absolutely loving the black and gold theme, and so that's the theme we're going with today. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music while I go ahead and put this tablescape together for you, and I'll see you guys at the end. So now I went ahead and decorated these pumpkins. I was having a ball with this, guys. So I decorated them in gold, and then I started using all kinds of different things. And like these right here, they have the black boa on them. And I think it looks so glamorous. I don't know. It just ramped it up for me. And then the center one, I used, it was a DIY, and I tried to create the stem myself, and I think that came out really beautiful too, and I hope you guys agree. I think the whole setup looks absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to show you the DIY vases that I made for my Princess Dream collab. Now, I've gotten so many compliments on these. Those are gold hydrangeas that I place inside of them, but I basically made this all out of Dollar Tree products, and this is so gorgeous up close, and that includes the little embellishment that I place in the front. So now the black tablecloth that I purchased at Walmart, and then the runner that I have is really a scarf, and I purchased that at the Dollar Tree. Then I got the mirror coaster. I got that from the Dollar Tree. And the charger and the plate, I purchased that at Hobby Lobby. Now the salad plate, I went ahead and got that. Those are the clear dishes that I got at Dollar Tree. And then we have the napkin holders, which is also a Hobby Lobby item. Now, the wine glasses and the water glasses, those were thrifted items, and I believe I got that at the Salvation Army. And the utensils, I purchased that at Target. And then we have the bless sign. That came from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we are lighting candles. Everything looks so romantic. I'm loving the music. So I think it's almost time to head on over to the reveal. I think this is an absolutely gorgeous, cozy table for two. Very romantic. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.